Hey guys, when you are talking in English, one of the biggest challenge you're gonna face is that how to speak English with a good accent, or how to escape, or how to avoid, or how to change your Mallu accent, right? It's quite easy for the others who's listening to you. It's quite easy for them to understand, this guy is from Kerala. Or this guy is a Mallu guy. Because he's talking in a Mallu accent, right? So Mallu accent, as a Malayali, we are not happy with that accent, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about this accent. What is accent? Or how it is important? Or do you have to change your accent? Or what we have to do with the accent? Okay, if you are really concerned about your accent, or if you really want to change your accent, or if you really want to speak with confidence, whatever may be your accent, watch this video. My name is Shiju Thomas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, this is a channel and I'm sharing all my ideas, all my tips, tricks, what I have tried. And this is not a professional training. This is something which I'm sharing my own experience. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. First of all, what do you mean by this accent? Accent means when you are talking in your mother tongue, or when you are talking in any language, the place where you are living, your society, your atmosphere, your living style, the culture, everything is affecting your language. Everything is affecting how you talk to others, right? When you take Malayalam, even in Malayalam also, we have 14 districts, right? Every 100 kilometers, this accent is changing, or even every 50 kilometers, the accent is changing, right? The way how the people in Trivandrum is talking, it's not the same way how the people who's staying in Kasaragod or Thrissur, they are talking entirely different accent, right? But they are talking Malayalam, right? So this is the same thing which is applicable in any language, because as long as I'm here, I'm working in UAE. From past many years, so I used to talk to a lot of people from different nationality, different place, even from the same place but different accent. So from all those accent, I comes to know that actually if you take an English, there is Arabic English, there is American English, there is British English, there is Indian English, Chinese English, or there is different types. Any person who is from a particular country, if he's from India or Pakistan, Sri Lanka or America or China, Nepal, or any place, if he is from that particular country, when he's talking in English, it's quite easy for the others to understand that, okay, this guy is from this particular place, or this guy is this nationality, because the way he is talking, the way he's speaking in English, it's quite easy for them to understand. When you're talking to an Arabic guy, maybe he's talking in English, but in between he's gonna say that yani, type, this yani, type, all these Arabic words, but they always add these words even if they are talking in English. You got the point. They don't want to change that one, or they are used to talk like that. So first of all, this is all about accent. The place we are living in Kerala, or you are living in India, that means you have an Indian accent. It's quite clear. And another suggestion, what I would like to say, that we have to feel proud that we are speaking in an accent where I'm living, where I'm coming from. So your accent is your identity. It's quite easy for them to understand you are an Indian, you are speaking in Indian English, right? So you should feel that, okay, I'm really happy, or my accent is really good. Because when you're talking to someone in English, this accent doesn't make a big difference. Or when you're talking, what is your attitude? It doesn't matter, there is no relation between your confidence level and your accent. If you're talking with the confidence, in any accent you can speak. Is that clear? But when you are staying in India, when you are talking to the other guys who are from another state or another place, when you're talking in English, they're going to say that, this is a Malayali accent, Mallu accent. What Mallu accent? So what? Did you got my point? Did you understand what I'm saying? That's all. Because this is a language. Language is used for communication. Language is not to show that, okay, you are fluent in that one. Even if you take Malayalam also we are not fluent. We are talking in Malayalam, but many words we have no idea. And many times we are not talking in the fluent accent. It's easy for them to understand. This is applicable in any language, so no need to worry about the accent, what you're talking about. just bothered about your confidence level, just bothered about is it possible for you to convey the message to the other guy who is talking to you. This is more important. So from now onwards, when you're talking in English, stay in your accent, continue with your accent, be confident in your accent.